going to see if I can try to scrape up some of this paint. And then I'll put it back in this cup and I'll mix that into a color, which I think will be a pretty blue maybe or something. Might as well not waste anything. At least for this first try. I'll see what this does. Maybe this is a bad idea. Now it's like a dark gray. Maybe I could do a paint runoff pour sometime. If that's a bad idea, maybe someone in the comments can tell me not to do that. Oh my gosh, I need so much paper towel. My torch isn't really working, so that's annoying. I've decided that I'm going to, because I have a lot of yellow, oops, I'm going to use this bright yellow Artist Loft as my main base color. I'm going to try to do a swipe. I think you still put some in the middle. I can't remember what people do. So as you can tell, I'm very new to acrylic pouring. If anybody out there has any tips or tricks or videos you think I should watch, I would be happy to come to your channel and watch them because I would like to learn more. But if you would like to follow along my hilarious journey of trying to learn how to acrylic pour, thanks for coming by, and maybe I'll see you again. Okay, I still think I need more. I think this would look better if it wasn't on a yellow base. And if I could actually torch the bubbles. Because my torch isn't working. Don't know if it's just not a very good one. I don't know why the butane doesn't really seem to want to go in it. Maybe it's me. What happens if I blow on it? We'll try that. I'll blow hot air. Or I could get maybe I'll get my hair blower and just see if I can put some heat from a distance without blowing it too much. Okay, that's actually doing something. I need to get more paper towel or something and see if I can fix some of these swipes. Because I mean, I feel like this side's not too bad. I might scoop that guy. Oops, that's not working. I'm gonna pour some more colors, I think. So this is a color I mixed it with the crimson red with the metallic white, sort of a pinky red. I'm gonna put a bit more paint here. What did I use? I used each of these. Oh, I had swirled that green last time. And then I did turquoise. And I did, was that it? Maybe I should actually put some white. It might look pretty. I'll be going through my yellow pretty quick. Let's try one big swipe. Is this a bad plan? Might be. You can tell me below, or I'll find out in a second. I think I flung paint somewhere. I'd like to fix that part. I think I'm making it worse rather than better. I'll try this with my hair blower again. That is still not working. I'm going to call this a fail. One is actually like one of my favorite paintings I've made, and unfortunately, my camera died when I was painting it. It did not start out like this at all. The whole background was yellow and it had stripes of color going through it, and it was supposed to be a swipe, and it was not working out. And so then I scraped some of it off and I added other colors. I added a lot of this pearl white and I added leftover green I had. It has silicone in it. It was just leftover that I had in the paints, I think. I don't think I added it in, but that's why I have those weird cells. And I tried blowing it with a blow dryer, and then see this weird texture in here? It's because this Artist Loft paint actually started to dry. It dries faster than some other paints, I find. And it started to dry, and I was tilting it, and it was like breaking apart. So that's what that weird separated thing is. But there's so much that's cool about this piece. And I wish I actually could make it again, because I wish it was like I can do this technique and have another painting turn out like this, because it really is neat. That was my third painting I ever did. Thanks for watching.